Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 music fail to play tracks error. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and then open Samsung Music. Now here scroll down and go to its storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of Samsung Music. Now after that, go back to your home screen and open Play Store and then search Power RAM Music Play. And after that, install this Power RAM Music Player app and allow all the permissions.